Welcome students in our science class, chapter 5, acid, base and salts. And in previous class we studied about acid, bases and indicators. Okay, and in this class we will study about salts. What is salts? Generally, anyone asks to you what is salts. When acids react with bases, they can neutralize one another specific properties. Substances that are produced as a result of neutralization between acids and bases are called salts. Okay, means salts is formed after the reaction of acids and base. When acid and base treatment to each other or react to each other, it forms salt. Also water and releases heat. Okay, this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Okay students, means salt is prepared by the treatment of acid on base or base on acid. Okay, and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Generally there are three types of salts. There are generally three types of salts. First, acidic salts, second, basic salts, and third, neutral salts. Acidic salts are formed when a strong acid reacts with weak base. These salts have a pH value of less than 7. Okay? For example, ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is the example of acidic salt. Basic salt. Basic salts are formed when a strong bases react with weak acids. Okay? For example, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is the example of basic salts. Okay, and next one is neutral salt. It is very important salt, neutral salts. Neutral salts are formed when a strong acids react with a strong base. Okay, neutral salts are formed when a strong acids react with a strong base. Okay, for example, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is the best example of neutral salts. Okay, and another example is potassium nitrate, calcium sulfate. Okay, here some examples of salts: copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate. These are the salts. Now let's study about properties of salts. First, most of the salts are soluble in water. Okay, most of the salts are soluble in water. Next, solution of salts in water act as good conductors of electricity. Next, third, some salts are white crystal whereas some are colored. Some salts are white crystals and whereas some are colored. Okay, for example, copper sulfate is blue in color and ferrous sulfate is in green. Some salts contain water molecules trapped inside them. This is referred to as water of crystallization, and these salts is known as hydrated salts. Okay, for example, CuSO4 into 5H2O. This is the example of hydrated salts. Okay students, these are the some properties of salts. Next, fifth, two or more salts that crystallizes to form a single substance are known as mixed salts. These are another example of salts and another types of salts, mixed salts. Okay, for example, alum, K2SO4, Al2SO4 whole thrice into 24H2O. Preparation of salts are prepared by generally three methods. Okay, by making an acid react with base, by making an acid react with a metal, by making vegetable oil react with caustic soda. Okay students, these are some methods for preparing salts. There are some important salts. And their uses. First, sodium chloride. It is used as major ingredient in cooking and as a food preservative. Sodium chloride. Next, sodium carbonate. It is widely used as a detergent. Sodium nitrate, it is widely used as a fertilizer in the manufacturing of gunpowder and as food additive. Another name of sodium nitrate is chili saltpeter. Another name of sodium carbonate is washing soda, common name. And sodium chloride is common salt. Okay. Next, sodium bicarbonate. Another name of sodium bicarbonate, common name of sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. It is widely used as a baking soda in medicines and as a fire extinguisher. Calcium carbonate, generally name of calcium carbonate is limestone. It is used in the construction of buildings, purification of iron, and also as a dietary supplement. Okay. Next, potassium nitrate. Another name of potassium nitrate, KNO3, is nitre. It is used in fireworks, okay, and in the manufacture of fertilizers also. Calcium sulfate. Next is calcium sulfate. Another name of calcium sulfate is plaster of Paris. It is widely used in cement industry and in the synthesis of sulfuric acid. Next one is calcium phosphate. Another name of calcium phosphate is bone mineral. It is used in the manufacturing of fertilizers and also medicine. Next, ammonium chloride. Another name of ammonium chloride is sal ammonium. It is used in the manufacture of fertilizers in medicine and also used as a food additive. Next one is potassium aluminum sulfate, K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole thrice into 24H2O. Another name of potassium aluminum sulfate is alum. Okay, it is used in the purification of water and in the textile industry also. And last salt is here copper sulfate, blue vitriol. It is used as a fungicide and in the textile industry. Okay students, these are the some important salts, name of salts, and also their common name and their usage. Okay, and our lesson 4 chapter 4 acid, bases and salts is finished. Okay.